How do I turn on my Sharp Aquos TV without the power button?
Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to turn on your Sharp Aquos TV even if the power button isn't working or if you can't find your remote. This is a very useful skill to have, especially if you've lost your remote or your power button has become unresponsive. Remember, there's always a way to enjoy your favorite shows.
Can I use a universal remote?
Absolutely. Universal remotes are a great tool to have, especially in situations like these. Most of them are programmable to work with a variety of devices, including your Sharp Aquos TV. 1. Purchase a universal remote from a local electronics store or online. 2. Follow the instructions that come with the remote to program it for your specific model of Sharp Aquos TV. 3. Once programmed, you should be able to turn your TV on and off using the power button on the universal remote.
Can I use a smartphone?
Yes, if you have a smartphone, especially one with an inbuilt IR blaster, you can use it as a remote control. Several applications can mimic the functionality of a TV remote. 1. Download a remote control app like Shure Universal Remote or Any Mote Universal Remote from your phone's app store. 2. Follow the app's instructions to configure it for your specific Sharp Aquos TV model. 3. Once configured, you can use the app to turn on your TV, just like a physical remote.
What about the manual controls?
Yes, most Sharp Aquos TVs have manual controls hidden somewhere on the TV. It could be at the bottom, behind, or sides of the TV. 1. Look for buttons or a control stick on your TV. They might be subtly hidden, so check the TV carefully. 2. One of these buttons or the control stick should be able to power on the TV when pressed or pushed in the right direction. Now you should be able to turn on your Sharp Aquos TV without a power button or remote. Remember that the solutions presented here are not limited to Sharp Aquos TV alone. They can work for most TVs. Whether you're using a universal remote, a smartphone, or the manual controls on the TV itself, there's always a way to keep watching your favorite shows. Enjoy your viewing experience.